Hey, we're back. It's your boy Divine Devon. And we're in the beautiful Delray. About to eat some good old wings at Gourmet Killer Dogs. And don't worry, no dogs won't harm while cooking this food. And today we have another guest, my boy Spicy.
Hi everyone, my name is John King. I'm the founder and CEO of Spicy Wear, and I like my food spicy.
And we're about to just eat some good wings. So let's wing it.
Someone said the perfect way to eat a flat is like you gotta push it down or something.
The TikTok, is that what you're talking about?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, I got that punch to it.
Sweet.
Just sweet.
You like drumstick better?
Bro, I'm a big drum fan.
I'm a flat guy.
Drum is just like, it's just there to meat. I don't gotta fight the bone too much. Yeah. The cleanest way I can pass you on.
I need to take these things.
You got shit.
I thought you were doing that for the recording. Like, gives the.
I was doing it for the beginning, but then I'm like, damn, I can't take them off. My hands dirty.
It's sticky. Got a stickiness to it. It's sweet, but it's punchy. It's not breaded.
Not too saucy either. Like not like drenched in sauce.
It's not like, it's not soaked. Right? They didn't smother it, they just glazed it.
Yeah.
You know, massage the sauce on there.
Word choice going crazy today.
Look at pretty nice size. Bro, this is try out. What is this? Is this supposed to be the ranch?
Yes, man. Looks a little crunchy.
I heard that crunch.
Well,
Damn, I miss that sweet.
I knew I would.
very
Love the wings.
That's what reminds me of.
That's exactly what I was thinking.
Jeez, bro, get that on the cam. He wasn't playing about the jumbo. The jumbo game.
You know this man.
You just like a straight wing, like it gets you straight to the point. Cameraman over here. Appreciate you, bros. John. Ooh. We gonna fit.
Got that fat.
Yeah, I want to get that flat.
Always gotta get the drum. Bring it in, come in a little bit.
I'm the guy that fixes my appliances, you know what I mean?
Ooh. On contact. That's that on contact spice. So Spicy, how do you feel about the spicy wings?
Thank you.
They're not
I'll
crazy.
have it right after these wings.
Yeah.
You know, I like it spicy,
Yeah.
Even better.
but it's sweet. It's got a nice little, but I got that kick at the end though, definitely.
And it's not really hot. It's spicy enough to where you get a flavor. You can taste the flavor of it. And it's not burning you up. I will say if you keep eating a consecutive amount, the heat builds.
Oh yeah, my
Real
lips are
fast.
starting to burn. that drip?
What the hell you put?
Like my fist, it's almost as big as my fist. Wow.
Get this sauce dripping off.
Get the sauce strip.
Oh, I just had
Come on, bro. Not even, they're not that sticky either. That's interesting.
Uh-oh. They destroyed.
Yeah.
How many left in there? How many you getting?
Can't leave anything left.
Alright, what about those plain Janes?
The plain ones, not my favorite. You know, it's just a regular classic wing. You know, I like it a little more saucy, spicy, but nice crisp outside. Kind of remind me of like a Publix wing. But, you know, just good all around classic wing.
Plain Jane's. It tasted like it sounds. It was plain. It wasn't bad. It was juicy, but it was plain. I mean, no sauce. So I'm gonna give that number 3.
How about those sweet wings?
Those sweet wings were good. You know, they got that little sugary taste in the beginning. Then just like nice, consistent, smooth, not too saucy. It was good.
Alright, boy.
What's good?
How you feel about those sweets?
The sweets? That was good. That was good stuff. The stickiness, the juiciness in it. To me, that was the best.
You already know spicy ones were my favorite. Not too spicy. Had a sweet beginning, almost like a buffalo, but sweet beginning. Then the spice hit you on the back, but it was good all around. Good spicy wing, not super spicy, just a nice, clean, consistent spice.
The spicy was actually good. I'm not a fan of spicy food, but you see them palates, you see them lips, that shit was good.
Yes, now, here's the review on Gourmet Killer Dogs. Number 3, I would say, was the plain Jane. I wasn't really a fan of the plain. It was just like, it was crunchy. It was like a standard kind of chicken that you'd get, like something like that Publix. It was definitely juicy. If you do like it crunchy, it was really good for like crunchiness. If you're just somebody that's like, I'm trying to get straight to the point for this wing, it's for you for sure. So that brings me to my second choice, and I would definitely say it was the sweet. It was a little bit sticky, got like a nice little slight barbecue taste to it, but with this like own, you know, unique flavor on top of it. It was mild, so it wasn't like hot or anything. It was also crunchy, so like when you bit into it, you just heard that. And then it was not breaded, definitely fried. It was wet, but the way that the sauce was on it, it was just like a slight glaze. Now that brings me to the spicy. It was non-sticky. You know, the spice on it, it was there, like on contact. You just got that little on you. There's a little sweetness, and it wasn't too hot to where you can't enjoy it, but it was like, it was there. So it was crunchy, just like the other ones. A nice wetness. It's not breaded either. So overall, like, it was pretty good, but definitely my number 1 when you go there. This is your boy, Divine Devon, and I enjoyed the Gourmet Killer. A little on the pricey side, but if you want some good food, you can definitely go there. Subscribe, click the like button, even comment. Tell me a place you want me to go, somewhere in like the Boca Raton, Delray, even Miami area, anything that you suggest. I would love to go there. But I love you all. Have an amazing day, and let's wing it.